Welcome to another video on Brand Device where we talk about business and finance. My name is Bharat, and in this video we're going to talk about what kind of cryptocurrencies I have in my Exodus wallet. Now for those of you who are new, you might think, what is a wallet? So wallet is a place where you can keep different kind of cryptocurrencies, and you can have it either as a hard wallet, so of course like as a USB kind of thing, or like you can have it on your phone. It is not advisable, for example, if you purchase any of your cryptocurrency on Binance.com, that you keep it there, because if you're just keeping your cryptocurrency in places like these, it becomes highly susceptible to different kind of hacks and you might lose your cryptocurrency. That's why as soon as you have purchased something, it is advisable that you transfer it to your wallet. Doesn't matter which one you choose. There are definitely some better ones, and amongst the better ones I have Exodus here. You can just download it on your app store, on your Play Store, without any kind of cost whatsoever, and it also doesn't cost anything to keep your cryptocurrency there. There's a very common term used in the crypto field a lot, and that is not your keys, not your coins. That means if you do not have it in your wallet or somewhere safe where you have the keys, you essentially don't own them. And that's why, for example, investing in ETFs or something which are buying cryptocurrency or something like that, or just investing in with the help of some kind of apps, it doesn't really make sense unless you have the real, like, in quotations, the cryptocurrency with yourself in a wallet. So what did you learn? As soon as you buy something on Binance.com or Coinbase.com, whatever you prefer, take your cryptocurrency out and keep it in your wallet. So let's talk about my wallet real quick. Just today on Binance, I bought Cardano and I bought it for 1,500 euros. And then I brought it to my Exodus wallet because again, you can stake it here. So Exodus gives you this very nice function where you can have your cryptocurrency and you can just let it earn rewards for you, or like let it earn money for you. So for example, if you see here, I have staked it and my 30-day reward is going to be around 30 Cardano. So, or like 8 of these coins, which is again like not bad. The money is like sitting there, but it's like again making you money back in some kind of dividends or like in these interest payments. So of course that is nice. Then I have Bitcoin. I have 0.147802. Again, like I don't think it really makes sense to like say these things, but like let's say the euro value. I have Bitcoin for 4,218 euros. I have Cardano for 1,660 euros. I have Ethereum for 546 euros. I have Chainlink for 180 euros. Again, I want to like buy more Chainlink because again, it is having a huge upside. But out of these four, I'm most bullish about Cardano because again, it has been growing up like crazy, and the kind of technologies they are working on, it is going to really change the way the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem works. Many people might feel like, investing in Bitcoin right now, it is a great idea. And of course, like it is not a bad idea. And especially when Cathie would say something like this.
So I do believe that just the questions being raised by, is this money supply too much? Is the fiscal stimulus too much? Oh gosh, the treasury bond yield has broken above this downtrend. No one expected that. What's happening? One of the questions could be, should I hedge myself against inflation? I believe there is no better hedge against inflation than Bitcoin. And as we know, gold has been moving, although now it's lagging Bitcoin fairly dramatically. So it's probably, there's probably some share shift, but I do believe that both of them will do well over time until we find out the answer to this question. And I also am taking some confidence from the fact that we have individuals and companies calling us about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, saying, should we put some of our cash into Bitcoin? These are companies, and as you know, Square has done that, as has MicroStrategy. I think we're going to hear about more companies putting this hedge on their balance sheet as well, particularly tech companies, innovative companies who understand the technology and are comfortable with it.
So of course you should keep some of your net worth in Bitcoin. Again, all of these are speculative investments. So like you should really not invest more than what you can lose. You should really keep this in mind. So with Bitcoin, of course, like, it has grown in this year with 288%, which is crazy. Then you have Cardano, which has grown in this year with 602%, which is also absolutely insane. I think this is the best performing cryptocurrency out of all of the other ones that we have seen. Ethereum this year has grown up 568%, closer to Cardano. And then we have Chainlink, which has grown up this year 533%. So Bitcoin, of course, it is getting bigger, it is getting more expensive, the value is going up, and because it is slowly reaching saturation, you will see the kind of upsides you might have to it could be limited. Whereas the new coins which are coming up with better technology and smart contracts, because again, Bitcoin doesn't have smart contract, Ethereum has it and Cardano has it. And also the transaction fees is a lot higher when you compare it with Cardano. Another nice thing is like you do not mine Cardano. So like that is like not the option, because again, mining takes a lot of energy. I've been like doing this experiment, which I will make a video about like super soon, on like seeing how much cryptocurrency you can mine with the normal usage. So like that could be an interesting video, but in general that takes a lot of energy away, and it is also just like slower. Whereas Cardano is like really pushing to solve all of these problems. You should read more about it, just spend some time, because I'm telling you, what I can explain in this video will not be enough to like give you the entire bigger picture of it. Spend some time, read up more on it, but like this is definitely a very cool upcoming technology that you should keep in your mind. Then we have Chainlink. Chainlink is also like, super interesting for me, because if you see here what they're writing is, blockchain based smart contracts currently can't connect to the outside world in a decentralized way. Using a network of decentralized data oracles, Chainlink aims to connect smart contracts to real-world data and payment systems. Now, what is a smart contract? Smart contract is actually a very interesting thing. It pretty much programs the digital currency that you're like giving out to somebody. For example, I'm giving you 100 euros and I tell you that like you have to spend these 100 euros till 31st January in Kaufland or something. And if you don't do it, it is going to come back to me. So that is the interesting thing, like, that you can program these coins and you can program this currency, for example, Ethereum and Cardano. But how do they actually connect with the real world? That's where Chainlink comes inside, and that's why it is also a very interesting coin that you should keep in your mind. So again, that is pretty much my portfolio of the cryptocurrency that I have in my wallet. If you haven't yet bought some Cardano and you're looking to do that, I would really suggest to use Binance, because it is giving you the best rates possible. For example, here in the screenshot, you can see the fee was only 0.1%, whereas in places like Coinbase, you can get up to 4%. Of course, with Coinbase Pro, it's a bit better, but still, Binance is giving you the cheapest rates on the market, so you do not pay a lot in unnecessary fees. And also, if you see, Cardano is right now just at 23 cents, like around 24 cents or something, which is not that bad. Even if you buy 50 euros of it, I think like this is still a decent investment, which is going to stay with you. And because it is relatively young, with a massive upside and a lot of people working on it, you will see some like massive gains, at least in the Q1. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, so don't just take my advice, also do your own research. And when you make up your mind, then just go to Binance. You can use the link given in description. It's my referral link. You can use it to buy Cardano or Ethereum, Bitcoin, whatever you want on Binance. Another thing that many of you should know is like if Binance itself feels too complicated, you can download the Binance app on your phone and use the Binance Lite version. It is a lot simpler and you wouldn't break your head figuring out where what is. And if you do not know at all how to buy any kind of cryptocurrency whatsoever on Binance, I'm also going to link a video in the description so that you can see how you can do it. So that was pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have more questions, ideas, suggestions that I should make on the cryptocurrency topic, you can also let me know in the comment section below. There's also going to be upcoming business series, which is going to be a lot of different business related videos on how you can start your own online business. So if you're interested in that, or if you want to give some ideas or suggestions about that already in advance so that we can keep this in mind when making those videos, you can also write to me on Instagram. Just DM me at brandevice and I will see you there. Thank you so much. Bye.